Hey, it's Sky, and today I'm taking the FridgeHunters challenge to go from takeout to staying in. I'm going to start with my favorite, some Hellman's mayonnaise and some leftover cooked chicken. First, you're going to spread your Hellman's mayo over your sandwich wrap and add whatever protein you have. Then you're going to grab some vegetables like this leftover salad, pile it right on top, and then add your condiments such as hot sauce and shredded cheese. Pile your sauces and condiments right on top, and now you have the perfect sandwich wrap and are eliminating food waste. What will you create with Hellman's mayo? Let me know in the comments.